Did you know that with just 1 Ghana cedis, you can buy 1 GB of bundle? And then with 5 Ghana cedis, you can buy as much as 5 GB of bundle. Yes, it is possible. Get that in Ghana currently, some things are being hidden from the public because people are just abusing access. You know what happened when MTN tried data zone bundles? People were just abusing it. People were using it for unnecessary things, TikToking and all of that. So this time around, these people have been quite careful and they have hidden some things from the public. But in today's tutorial, I'm going to reveal it. You know me, man of secrets. I'm going to reveal it and we are going to enjoy it. So without wasting my time, let's dive in. So without wasting my time, I think we should start. I also want to get my video straightforward. And then we are going to start with Vodafone. And then you can see that Vodafone with the normal bundles, it costs a lot. It's very expensive when you try to go the normal way. That I don't know how to call it, but it's very expensive. That one, you know what I mean? It's very expensive. But there is this USD that when you type in, it can really get you a cheap bundle. And then that is *530# *530#. And then with this USD code, you can get 1 Ghana cedis for a 1 GB of bundle, and then 5 Ghana cedis for a 5 GB of bundle. See how it works. And I think this is the same thing that MTN was using that we used to call data zone bundles. And I think this one is even cheaper. But wait. Have you subscribed to my channel? What? You still haven't subscribed after all what I'm teaching you? You still haven't subscribed. So what if there is a new hint? What is it? There is a new move. There is a new secret. How are you going to hear it? My bro, subscribe for the best. Subscribe, else you're not going to get a new update. And then after subscribing, there is a bell icon near to it. Click and select all. Okay, so thank you for subscribing. My MTN users, are you there? So with MTN, you can see that the new data bundle offer, MTN zone offer, is really boring. It can give you like 130 megabytes for 2 cedis or something. What? Can you just believe that? What am I going to use that for? So they just spoiled their market with that. And, if you want really to use MTN, you still, there are some people that no matter what they want to use MTN, then I think this strategy is for you. So you go through this process and then you buy it. It's 182 gigabytes of bundle. 182 gigabytes. And then I don't think you can even use it. Can you? You can. Yes, of course you can automatically. So for the MTN, you just go to the normal bundle purchase. That's 138. And then after dialing it, you now proceed to buy bundle. And then you select buy data bundle. So after you have selected, you select buy for self. And then here, look, please look at it. Here, you select 99. You type in 99, which is more. And then you see that it's going to pop up. Have you seen it? 182 gigabytes. 182 gigabytes. And then you can purchase this in bulk. And then I think you're good to go, better than this 1 cedi bundle thing. So I got 2 special USD codes for my new subscribers. Okay, so if you are a new subscriber, I intentionally didn't say this because people just watch your video and they don't subscribe. Alright, so if you are a new subscriber, subscribe to my channel and then come to the comment section and then type I subscribed. So I'll give you the USD code and I will teach you how to use it, and you're going to love it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your loved ones.